What if someone was controlling your decisions without you even realizing it? That's the power of psychological manipulation. Manipulation isn't always loud or obvious. Sometimes, it hides behind kindness, compliments, or fake concern. One common tactic is gaslighting. A manipulator makes you question your own memory or feelings by saying things like, "You're imagining it," or "That never happened." Over time, you begin to doubt yourself instead of trusting your own judgment. Another tactic is guilt tripping. They make you feel responsible for their happiness or problems, hoping you'll do what they want out of guilt rather than choice. Manipulators may also use love bombing. At first, they overwhelm you with attention, praise, and affection. Once they've earned your trust, they slowly become controlling or emotionally distant, making you work harder for their approval. They often play the victim, avoid taking responsibility, and shift the blame onto others. This keeps people confused and makes it harder to recognize what's really happening. The best defense is simple trust, consistent actions more than impressive words. Healthy relationships are built on honesty, respect, and clear communication, not fear, guilt, or control. Understanding manipulation isn't about becoming suspicious of everyone. It's about protecting yourself and building relationships based on mutual respect.